Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you around the vehicles which are available from Randger for next year, and I'm going to start off with this one, which is a 4x4 vehicle and the R560 on a Ford basis, and this thing here is going to cost 82,000 euros. So what's it got? Well, at the rear end it's got a widthwise bed, and this is great to see this like this with this bike put in it like this, because it shows you what you can actually do with the space when you put the bed up. And so obviously you probably wouldn't have a bike on a stalk like that, but anyway, it shows you can get a bike in here. Storage around the top. We've got here a wardrobe, and the wardrobe has a false bottom to it, so your clothes can actually fall down, I mean, whilst the hanging up. Also got another wardrobe here, sink and 2 burners, which is quite normal. And in here we find the toilet, largest one, with a shower. Let's just come out. As it's a Ford, comes with this end to the mosquito net, so that fits in there like that. You know, Fiat ones have a different ending. And right, so coming down here, I've now got the Randger 640 on a Fiat Ducato. This vehicle here will cost 75,179. This has a it has a table there, but it's been taken out, so you can use the table for use outside. Lengthwise beds at the back, they can be joined if you want. You've got 2 burners, sink, storage down here, and here we've got this toilet. I'm not so keen on these toilets that move in and out. I like a toilet to be fixed. I don't want to run the risk of it not becoming a movable toilet and get stuck somewhere. I had a situation with my last van where the cassette failed me, and anyway, mind you, that was due to the structure of the van itself. There we have the fridge, and let's come out. Let's see another van, and we have this one, another Fiat Ducato conversion, got a tent in the roof. And this one here is the Randger R602. This thing here is going to cost 81,000 euros. As you come in, you've got the name of the manufacturer there. I'll just show you the net whilst I'm here. There you go, you see the Fiat Ducato has a different one with a brush at the end rather than a bit of perspex. And here we've got the tables in this van, and we've got at the back a widthwise bed and the same toilet as we've just seen. Storage down here, and a rather large refrigerator with a freezer compartment, and storage at the back all the way around. Here we have the Randger R570 4x4. What's special about this one here is that the forward-facing bench has been removed, and did I give you the price? 80,000. And so you've got a table there which is quite small, but this feature in the 6-meter van is that it's got at the back these lengthwise beds, and there's storage under there as well. So and a wardrobe here. This one this one also with a false bottom to it. Fixed toilet, good idea in my opinion. And the shower for a 6-meter van is quite large. The Ford 4x4 has got some quite good holding capacity on steep inclines off-road. It's quite an impressive vehicle to drive. I also like to say that the Ford Transit is a very light vehicle to drive. I'm not saying this about the 4x4, but it's a light vehicle to drive. It's got it's a bit like driving a small car, in fact, in my opinion. Fiat is a little, what I would term, heavier. And right, so Randger 602 is here. Fiat Ducato campervan. It's okay, nice lighting inside. It's going to cost 74,000 euros, 6-meter vehicle, so a bit different to the Ford. And this is a more of a traditional campervan layout with the rear widthwise bed, lot of storage at the back, fridge here, very similar. It does, however, have this toilet and bathroom with the toilet which slides in and out, which I don't like. And here we have got rather elegant drawers below the kitchen. And of course, sink and 2 burners. Above the bulwark there's no storage. Personally, I prefer it that way. Even though I'm always going about having storage, I do like being able to stand up and without having to sort of hit my head on any wall or anything like that. And here we have my favorite one of theirs, the R550. It's 548 centimeters in length. It costs 83,218. It's got a bed in the roof up there, which will come down electronically. You can make another bed down here as well if you want. The table here is currently outside, which you can use as an outside or inside table. It has got the back 3 burners, not just 2 but 3, in a 548 centimeter long vehicle. It's got the sink here. It's got the same fridge as I've got in my van. Only this one's cleaner and it's not bust. It's got storage below, down here as well. And in here we've got the toilet. And we've got a sink, shower. I mean, for such a small vehicle, this really does look good. This is possible because the roof has been raised up. The bed will come down and rest on here, and we've even got space up front. When you're in bed, you can leave your mobile phone or something like that. Huge amount of storage here in this storage area, and there's the ladder up to bed. Okay, let's now come out and see the final van, which is this one here. This one I think is very clever, and the reason I think it's very clever is because it has a washroom. So it's the Ford Transit Custom, the R531. It's got a tent in the roof, and you can sleep downstairs as well. This is 67,000 euros, and I think that this is the best Ford Transit Custom camper van conversion. Why? It's because here at the back, it's because of this toilet. You got a sink, okay. The ladder is currently in the shower, but it has to go somewhere. And around here we've got sink, we've got 2 burners, we've got a fridge. It's really it's a compact camper. It's a tiny camper, but it is a camper. It's not a car. And this is something I've actually complained about. The VWs, which are more or less the same size, not having the facilities at the back of the vehicle, which in my opinion is absolutely essential for any camper. I had somebody complaining on this channel that I was calling VWs, VW California, a car. The thing is, it is a car. If it doesn't have a proper sanitary facilities, it's a car. That is a camper. So there you have it, the Randger range for the next year. Almost the same as Karman Mobil, but it is, I think, very interesting. Randger is actually, it's a French brand made in France, and it's part of the Trigano group. I'm going to close the door here from this one, since we've seen what it looks like in the back. Close the door. Yeah, the R640, 636 centimeters in length, just in case I didn't say it when I was filming it. Close this. Oops. And finish off here. Why did that door do that? It's because I let go of the handle. That was what happened. So, thank you very much for watching. I upload every day at 21:15. This is the largest collection of motorhomes and campervans on YouTube, I think on the internet. And so if you're interested in that type of thing, you might want to subscribe. If you subscribe, you'll know when I'm going live. I sometimes do this from places I'm actually staying at, or alternatively, I mean, when I'm at an event such as this, I try to do a live every day. I know I'm not, but I'd like to do a live every day. But if you're subscribed, then you'll be informed. Sometimes I do events like this, I do a live really suddenly and without giving much warning, maybe 10 minutes warning, something like that. But anyway, that's the way it goes. So this is me in Dusseldorf. Thanks very much for watching, and bye for now.